the goddess Ishshel, and she's wearing her traditional mayon woven skirt. Now, she's the goddess of love, medicine, creativity, the arts, and childbirth. She wants you to feel what it's like to love fully and completely, to be loved fully and completely, to connect more deeply with your own little weird ass way and create magic with your hands, to nurture yourself with the medicine of Mother Earth, the divas of the land, and to procreate and give birth to your desires, your pleasures, your projects, your offerings, and your joy. She reminds you to play and to repeat, I am learning how to create from a sense of play, lightness, and fun. And this involves crystals, the petrified wood, the tiger's eye, granite, clay, shells, and fossils. And for totems, maybe snakes for transformation, and a woven basket for collecting things from nature. Her scenes are earthy. Pine, these are the scents. Eucalyptus, sandalwood, cedar wood. Now, please like and share.